A straight line cuts the positive x-axis at A and the positive y-axis at B, 0, 2. Angle BAO equal to 1 over 6 pi radians, where O is the origin. Find the exact value of the x-coordinate of A. Let's mark the points. So 0, 2 will be here, which is B. And the straight line passes the cuts the positive x-axis and the positive y-axis. So if you draw a line like this, let's mark this as A because it cuts the positive x-axis. And this is O. Okay. The angle BAO, that is, this angle is pi over 6. Okay. Now we know what is OB. OB is 2. And we need to find out what is OA, the x-coordinate of A. Okay. So let's use a trigonometric function. Because we know one angle, one side, we can easily find out the other side. We know the opposite side and we require the adjacent side. So let's use the trigonometric function tan. So tan angle is pi over 6 equal to 2 divided by OA. Make OA as the subject. OA is equal to 2 divided by tan pi over 6, which is equal to 2 square root of 3. Okay. So the x coordinate of A is 2 square root of 3. The next part of the question is find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB, giving your answer in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is given exactly and c is an integer. So we need to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So perpendicular bisector, so we need to first find out what is the midpoint of A and B. So this will be perpendicular bisector. So we need to find the equation of this line. For that, first you find out what is the midpoint. So midpoint of AB is we know the B coordinate. And what is A coordinate? A coordinate will be 2 square root of 3, 0. And B is 0, 2. So 2 square root of 3 plus 0 divided by 2, 0 plus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to square root of 3, 1. This is the midpoint of AB. Okay. Let's find out what is the gradient of AB. By using that, we can find out the gradient of the perpendicular bisector. Gradient of AB is 0 minus 2 divided by 2 square root of 3 minus 0, which is equal to negative 1 over square root of 3. Okay, so the gradient of the perpendicular bisector is square root of 3. Now let's write the equation of the perpendicular bisector which passes through the point square root of 3 comma 1. Y minus y1. y1 is 1 here, equal to the gradient is square root of 3 multiplied by x minus square root of 3. So y is equal to square root of 3x minus square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 gives 3, and minus 1 when comes to this side it will be plus 1. So y is equal to square root of 3x minus 2. So this is the equation of the perpendicular bisector.